Yun, double lock. Saan mo papapasit na safe yan? Yun. Sige.
Double lock!
Paano yan? Paano yan?
Testing!
Yun!
What is the longest sentence?
Expresses a complete tense.
What is the longest sentence in the world?
5 sentence.
Excuse me, can I sit here?
Huh?
Can I sit here?
English. No, English. No English. No English. No
What
English.
country?
Country, you.
Philippines.
Philippine. No, Philippine. No,
You,
Philippine.
what country you?
Sa summer ako, ate.
Ate, may putok ka? Wala.
Kamoy nga.
Meron ito, oh! Ang taray, everlasting na yung pangalan ng putok mo.
Good morning. I'm here in front of you because I'm not in the back. I'm standing here because I'm not sitting. Before I start my speech, I like to finish it. Before I start my speech, may you kiss the bride. I know my speech is entertainment. Entertainment is all about funny speeches, but no, my speech is very serious and very intense. Just focus on me. So fast is the fastest food. So fast, you can warm the cold blood. So fast, to cook so fast, you need hot dog from the freezer. So fast needs hot dog, but my hot dog needs my egg.